Hello, welcome to NVGI group. Class at English medium, subject civics. Today's lesson, why do we need a parliament? Parliament is a very important institution for the every countries because it was a source of law. Source of law. So, firstly, in this chapter, we have to read that why should people decide. So, firstly, we have know that India got the freedom, independence in 15 August 1957. So first question, very short and objective type, in which year India got the independence? So 15 August 1947. And you have very well known, many are struggle, many are movement against the British government, then we have found the freedom. And many are sections of the society are participate in this movement. We have very well known the British colonial rule. When the British colonial rule in this country, we have very fair and we have not to decide what we take the decision. But when we have a great fear, then we have to against the criticize the British government, and this the struggle of situation also change. And we have known that the Indian National Congress established in 1885. So second question, create in which year the Indian National Congress was established. So Indian National Congress was established in 1885. whom was established the Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress also the demand to British government to debate the budget and ask the question. So the British government, British Act 1909, some persons are adult to right to vote representative in the legislature, but it was not given to all the persons to right to vote. So we have known that the colonial rules, all the section of the societies are participate in the struggle. But the doubt of the nationalist, when become a free, all the persons are take the decisions and make the government. So when become a India free, it was decided that the universal adult franchises. Universal adult franchises means all the persons of the country are right to vote. So create the question, what is the meaning of universal other franchises? So all the persons of the countries are take the vote. Next topic is the people and the representative. All the representative. So we know very well that the constitution principles that the approval and the participation and decision. So all the peoples are and all the peoples choose his representative and make the government. And in these principles, so the resource of the countries, so people are the important resource because he choose his representative by the election and he goes and he make the government. So one questions are created also. Thank you.